I've messed with cars and trucks and motorcycles and go-karts my whole life. My dad owned a fertilizer business, and I've always tinkered with things, and I've just always wanted to be a mechanic. We've been servicing cat truck engines 33 years, everything from changing the oil to overhauls.
As a business owner and a business owner's wife, there's a lot of responsibility on our shoulders to make sure that the world keeps running.
Their computer software is very easy to look up parts, give you part numbers, you just call them up, and they usually got everything on the shelf and they ship it right to you within a couple days.
They run specials on injectors and stuff like that. It definitely helps the customer a lot. Caterpillar is very important to us as an independent shop. They help us cross a lot of bridges. Caterpillar is awesome.